Using charms. Charms allow you to access features such as search and sharing, as well as settings for devices and various PC features. There is also a charm that you can click to return to the start screen from anywhere. When you click the settings charm, you are taken to a subpanel on which you can access 6 commonly used settings, such as volume, or to display the PC settings panel to access a more complex menu of settings. How can we access the charms? Okay, well, we are heading to the Windows mode. Okay, by using my pointer, when we bring the pointer to the right hand side, just bring your pointer to the top right corner, and the charms is gonna appear. Okay, so this is your charms. Okay, and just like the small explanation, we can access different items from here. Okay, let's go ahead and that's one way. Another way to access the charms is just by clicking on the Windows logo and click on the C. C as in Charlie. When we do that, see the charms is gonna appear, and we also gonna have see the battery status and our wireless internet connection, as well the day and the time and the date. Okay, so that's when I click on the Windows logo, I'm back to the desktop, Windows logo, C, it will open also the charms. Another way, bring your pointer to the top right corner and charms is gonna open up. We just need to bring down the pointer. Okay, now right here, let's say that we're just gonna go ahead and click on search. Once we click on search, the apps window is gonna open up. Remember, all these applications are already pre-installed on my computer. Some of them are pre-installed, some others are gonna be installed or were installed after I bought this computer. Okay. Now let's say that from here I wanna open one of these applications. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and open Maps. Okay, so just one click on Maps, and that application is just gonna open. Now remember, this is gonna open on the Windows mode. Okay, this is gonna get this information. Do you want to turn on location services and allow maps to use your locations? I'm just gonna click on yes, allow. Okay, and there's my maps. Okay, so it's gonna take a little bit, see, for my location to be detected. Okay, I didn't click on anything, and there's my location. Okay, now to come back, to the charms. Okay, remember it's Control C, and the charms is also gonna open right here. Now the charms is gonna open with the same shortcut. Okay, even either on the Windows mode or the desktop mode. Okay. Now to close the charms, I'm just gonna click somewhere right here into the application, and it's gonna close. Or we could also bring the pointer to the right hand side, and there's the charms. Okay. Now from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and come back to settings. Okay. So that application is still open, and I have my settings here. Okay. Now, like I just mentioned, see under the settings, see we have 6 different items that we could access. Let's say that I want to increase my volume. Okay, I just click, and from here I could drag the slider up or down. Okay, we have the brightness, very nice on maximum, and we could just bring it down. I'm gonna increase it. Okay, we have our wireless connections. All these wireless connections here, these are different wireless available around my area where I'm located right now. Okay, to go back, see here's this little arrow. When we click, we go back to settings. Okay, we have the notifications. You have the notifications for 8 hours, for 3 hours, or 1 hour by default. Okay, we already used the change PC settings. We are going to continue using the PC settings for different exercises. And here's the power. Okay, so I can put the computer to sleep, shut down, restart. Okay, now to exit that, I'm just going to click right here into the application. To close this application, we could either right click, okay, right click just into the application, Okay, and we're gonna have, see, this toolbar, okay, on which I could go ahead and turn on the traffic. Remember, that's a right click. I could bring my cursor to map style, my locations, or get directions. Okay, now how I'm gonna close this application. Okay, if I wanna close this application directly from here, okay, I'm just gonna be using Alt F4. Okay, remember that's Alt on the keyboard and the key F4 at the same time. Alt F4, and that's gonna close our application. Okay, when I bring my pointer into this top left corner, see, basically Windows is telling me that my desktop is still open. When I bring my pointer there again, see, it's not showing me the Windows. How about when I bring it down here, there's the start. Click, and it's taking me back to the start menu. Okay, so to open the charms, remember, it's just shortcut Control C. To close it, Control C. Or hover your cursor to the top right corner and then bring down your pointer to access search, share, start, devices, settings. Okay, to close that, I just click anywhere into the desktop, and that's it. That's using the charms. Thank you.